Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that from where it was here at the low point to where it ultimately closed, this was a good solid bounce. Again, I realize the price did pull back here a little bit, but still, even with that, where it closed relative to where it was, nice bounce on the bull's part. But that does lead into the question, and the very logical question, is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction dead cat bounce, meaning a fake movement? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is right here at $6.55. Why is $6.55 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, bounces that are truly bounces, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? The price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, the price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $6.55. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back into this range it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back some more, bounces around on top of that previous range, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have some short-term stair steps heading in the upwards direction. And, if a bounce is going to turn into a truly strong bounce, which eventually turns into a reversal, everything's got to start somewhere, right? So I'm just defining, quote-unquote, starting somewhere as staying up above $6.55. Now, in regards to levels of resistance, pretty straightforward. It's all about the purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. You can see this played out perfectly right there. Price bounced all the way up there. I mean, it was going and going and going, and then what a coincidence. Started to stumble around right at that purple line. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the purple line can't be broken, but the bulls apparently, according to the story of the price here, are going to need to bring their A game in order to fight through it. So anyway you slice it though, very nice bounce today. Can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.